How to change your navigation icon in Google Maps. This tutorial shows you how to customize your driving avatar on your Android device. First, open the Google Maps app on your Android device after that. Search for any location in the search bar at the top. From there, tap on Directions to open the navigation options. At this point, make sure the car or drive mode is selected at the top and not walking or any other mode. In the next step, tap on Start to begin navigation. Following this, once you're in navigation mode, tap on your blue location icon on the map to open the avatar selection screen. Once done, you'll see a selection of different car and vehicle icons to choose from. From here, swipe left or right to browse through all the available car models and styles. At this stage, tap on the car icon you want to use to select it. After this, scroll down below the car selection to find the color options and tap on your preferred color to customize it further. Finally, once you're happy with your selection, tap Done, and your new driving avatar will immediately appear on the map, replacing the default blue arrow. And that's it. If this Google Maps guide helped you customize your navigation icon, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.